Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PS4 controller on GTA 4 PC. First, connect your PS4 controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a wired connection or pair it via Bluetooth if your PC supports it. Once connected, you'll need to download and install DS for Windows. This essential tool allows your PS4 controller to be recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, which GTA 4 natively supports, making the process straightforward and efficient. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application. You should see your PS4 controller listed under the Controllers tab, confirming it's detected. Next, you'll want to create a new profile or select an existing one. This profile will map your PS4 controller's buttons and sticks to mimic an Xbox 360 controller. This emulation is crucial for GTA 4 to properly interpret your inputs, ensuring all functions work as expected within the game. With DS4 Windows running and your profile active, launch Grand Theft Auto 4. Once in the game, navigate to the Options menu from the main screen. From there, select Controls. You should now be able to choose Controller as your primary input method. The game will recognize your PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, allowing you to play seamlessly. Feel free to adjust sensitivity and button mappings to suit your personal play style. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both DS4 Windows and GTA 4. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve recognition problems. Also, ensure no other controller input software is running in the background, as this can cause conflicts. Keeping DS4 Windows updated to its latest version is also a good practice for optimal performance and compatibility. For the most stable experience, especially during intense gameplay, a wired USB connection is often recommended over Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.